What is a YouTube brand account? Why is it important? If this is the first time viewing my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified when new content is added. In YouTube brand account, you can have multiple users to manage your YouTube account. You can assign different levels of authority to users to handle different activity on your YouTube channel account, who can manage it regularly and efficiently. So let's dive into the actual process of creating a YouTube brand account. Log into YouTube account and then My Channel in the drop-down menu if you are creating YouTube channel for the first time. You can click Use Business or Other Name link on this page to create a YouTube brand account. If you already have a YouTube channel, you can create a YouTube brand account and then create a new channel in your brand account. Log into your YouTube account and then click YouTube profile icon and next click Settings tab. Next on this page, click Create a new channel. Since you already have a personal channel or regular YouTube channel, you will be asked to create a brand account as explained in this video. Enter a suitable name for your brand account and click Create button. And that is it. Your channel is created in your brand account. You can click Customize Channel and upload channel art banner and channel profile image and other details like channel description. Upload your first video. On this page, you can click Upload a video link and upload your first video. Next, you can type a suitable title with keywords that's relatable to the video topic. Next, enter a brief descriptions along with other social media links that you wish your video viewers would like to connect with you on. Next, type in keywords that is searched by YouTube viewers here. And finally, click Publish button to publish video on your YouTube channel. With this, we come to the end of this video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Like and comment on the video if you like it. Thank you.